Hello, welcome back to STEM School. Today, we are going to talk about the definition of default. So what is a default? In IT, a default is a pre-designed or preset value or setting what is used by a computer software, mobile application, and hardware when a value or setting is not specified by the program user. Applications have many defaults, including ones that set the program's appearance on screen and the folder name or saving files. Although predefined by the vendor, a default setting can be changed by the user. If something cannot be changed, it's not a default. Let's take a look at some examples of the default. So first thing you can see is the new folder icon. When in the Windows, you right-click your mouse and you create a new folder. The new folder here you see is the default name of this folder, and you can change the folder name to a name specified by you after the folder is created. So we call the new folder, this name is the default value of this folder. So let's take a look at another example. Here is the icon when you create a new document with Microsoft Office. So it generates the default document name with new Microsoft Word document. So you can specify your own name by changing this default name. So we call this new Microsoft Word document is a default name of this new created Microsoft Office Word document. And here's the example of default when we are writing Python code. So when we create a function, for example here, function of the student, we define a default value to last name and default value to subject. So while we are using this function, if we do not input value to the arguments, then the function will use the default value. But if we put a new value in the function, the new value will replace the default value. That is everything for today's lesson. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.